we as adults have the ability to put a space between impulse and action. So one of the things we like to teach our kids, just like we do in the writing process, that if you've got a piece of bread here, you got a top of the bread here, you want to put some, stuff in the middle, your lettuce, tomatoes, meats, cheeses, whatever you prefer. But if you just had a thought in your mind and you just smack a top bread on there, there's no space between thought and action. So your bottom piece of bread is your thought, your top piece of bread is your action. But if it's going to be something that is going to hurt somebody else, myself, get me in trouble, is it going to be efficient? Is it going to work for me? All of that should be the stuff that you stack in between those two pieces of bread. It's to just sit and think about it before you act. It's so powerful, and that's something we have to deliberately teach.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.